started.
Do you want to find out how to receive a sought after item? Something that you keep wanting and wishing for? Then just keep watching. Would you like to know how I obtained a most sought after item from Chanel? Then just keep watching. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Carmen and my channel focuses on lifestyle, beauty, and fashion. And today I have for you an unboxing. And if that's something that you're interested in, then just keep watching. I have disinfected my box and we are ready to go. I got the trusty dusty box opener and let's get started. Are you interested? Do you want to know the information on how to obtain your sought after item? Let's first get into the unboxing, and after that, I'll share the info, the tea, if you please. Here's the box. Alright, so we're going to get into it. Oops. And hopefully I can do it without dropping it, because I tend to drop the box when I'm opening, when I'm doing an unboxing. So let me raise this up. This is a true unboxing. And there we go. We have what? Chanel. And it's upside down. So let's fix that. There it is, the Chanel box, and this size of a box, you know it's not a purse, right? Well, it is not a purse, in case you did not know. So let it go ahead and unbox it. And inside I have the shipment invoice, and it just gives a description, size of the shoe, the name of the shoe. It was sent by Neiman Marcus. So that's one little clue. Now immediately upon opening it, I just want to show you that this is not fresh tissue paper. It is used tissue paper. Okay, so I'm wondering right now, right as we get into this unboxing, is this a return? Let me show you what is inside. Usually it's Chanel paper. This is just regular tissue paper. Regular tissue paper, regular tissue paper. We have the Chanel Sport Trainers in beige with the logo in the back. Woo. On the sides, we have the double C's right here on the rubber sole in the black area right there. Then also on this other side, so they're on both sides. This is mixed material. It has calf skin suede. And then this is a rubber detailing going around the shoelaces. But most importantly, the gold double C's. Yes, the gold double C's. Take a look. These are really nice. They are noted to be comfy. This is my first pair of Chanel trainers. I was not sure of how they run. I purchased these in a 10B, UK size of 40B. Cross our fingers. I hope that these fit. I hope this is the right size. I do not want to return them because they are hard to find. They've sold out. I contacted 2 sales associates. Ooh. Did I give the tea away? Did I give it? Let's continue with the unboxing. Inside, the lining, it has the Chanel logo with the double C's. I want to put them on right now. Inside it says LG3567 40.5, made in Italy. And let me show that to you. Usually I wear 38. So when I said, oh, get me a 40.5, I'm like, oh, is it gonna be too big? Here's the bottom. The sole of the shoe has the Chanel. Neutral color will go with everything. The black goes with everything, beige goes with everything, white goes with everything. You can wear these with slacks, dresses, shorts. They have the skew inside. Let me unlace them a little bit for I can pull out the tongue and you can see better inside. And that's the inside with the skew and the price of the sport trainers. When this style was originally brought out, it came in black and white. That is when my hunt for these shoes started. And now they recently released these in the beige color and also navy. Inside the box are a pair of Chanel black shoelaces, and they have the Chanel written right here and the logo right here that wraps the shoelaces. They don't have Chanel written on the shoelaces. And inside is a little care booklet. Oh, two care booklets. Probably one in English and one in other languages. So this is the care booklet and this is the inside. And that is all that is in the box. I'm excited to try them on. Now they look big. I'm about to put my foot in them and they look big. They are a little bit too big. Oh yeah. All right, let me try both of them on. Here is the tea. Here is the information on how to obtain a sought after item. Now, of course, you can always go and pay additional fees for a personal shopper. Right now, we are in quarantine for most of us. I live in California and we are still shelter in place, aka lockdown, aka stay at home. How to obtain a sought after item is to have a client advisor. A client advisor or a sales associate who works with Chanel. Either directly with Chanel. When I say either directly with Chanel, that means the Chanel boutiques. Or someone who works with Chanel from Neiman Marcus. And that is exactly how I obtain my hard to find, sought after sport trainers, because they were sold out. Even when I called my first client advisor through Chanel, she said, nope, they're all sold out. And so then I scrolled through my phone and I contacted my second client advisor, which works at Neiman Marcus. Now we know that both Chanel, the boutiques, and Neiman Marcus, now they're currently closed. So I just text her the information, shot her a picture to make sure she knew exactly which trainers I was referring to. And I'm telling you, within 15 minutes, probably less than 15 minutes, she had me rung up and my trainers were on the way. So that is how you obtain sought after items. You need a client advisor or a sales associate in your phone contact. I'm going to do the mod shots and hopefully they're too big. They're too big and I need to return them, and I'm disappointed. I'm so disappointed. Size down, size down. Okay, so note, if you are looking for the Chanel sport trainers in beige or any color, please note that they do run large, that you need to size down. These are in the 20C. C is in Carmen. And they're beige. And the item number, ooh, it's a long one. The item number for the sneakers are G35617. Y is in Ulysses. 53646 01397. And these are in a 10B. Now it says 10B on the box. The label says 10.5B. Interesting. So I don't know which one that is too. Do you see that? It says 10B right over in this side, and then on the lower part of this side it says 10. Let me check my shoe. That will tell me. Okay, 10B. I hope you enjoyed the haul. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed any of the content, please hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe and comment below. Have you ever needed to find a sought after item and didn't know where to go? Because that was me. That was me until recently. Until we meet again, stay classy, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.